our lesson on short division. Short division is a written algorithm for performing division. The first thing you're going to notice is how we lay it out. It looks a bit different from the way we usually lay out our division problems. Usually we read left to right and we use this divided by symbol. But in short division, we actually are reading right to left, and we use this funny looking hut, I call it. And so we actually read it this way, and we say 396 divided by 3, and we write our answer on top of the roof. A bit weird, a bit funny, but that's how it is. So there are actually two ways to approach short division. The first approach is by thinking division, and the second approach is by thinking multiplication, because of course division and multiplication are really closely related. So I'm going to show you both methods, both approaches, and then you can choose which one is best for you. So first we're going to look at thinking division. So let's have a look. We've got 396 divided by 3. I've got some materials over on the right hand side to help us visualize. So 300 and 96, 6, and we're dividing, remember dividing is sharing, dividing between or among 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's do it. The first step is to divide the hundreds. First step is to divide the hundreds. So 300, we ask ourselves, can 300 be divided between 3, shared among 3? And the answer is yes. Each will receive 100. So we record 1 in the hundreds place. 300 divided by 3 equals 100 in each share. All right, next step, share the tens. We've got 9 tens, 90, and we're going to share them between 3. Can we share 90 between 3? Yes, we can. Each will receive 3 tens, or 30. And we record a 3 in the tens place. Lastly, we divide the ones. We have 6 ones. Can I share 6 ones among 3? Yes, I can. Each will receive 2. 2 in each share. And I record my 2 in the ones place. So we've got 396 divided by 3 equals 132. So that's the first way, thinking division. Let's have a look at the second approach, thinking multiplication. Either way, we get the same answer. It's just a different way to approach it. And like I said, you can choose the way that suits you best. So instead of working this way, when we use this second approach, we actually work in the opposite way, this way. And we ask ourselves, 3, how many times does 3 go into 300? Or how many times does 3 fit into 300? Or we could say, how many lots of 3 make up 300? And the answer is 100. Or an easy way to think of it is, how many times does 3 go into 3? And the answer is 1. Alright, so how many times does 3 go into 3? Once. It fits in once, exactly. Now we look at the next place. How many times does 3 go into 9, we ask ourselves? Well, it goes in 3 times. And then we say, how many times does 3 go into 6? Goes in, that's right, twice. So that's the second method. I prefer the second method. It's a little bit faster, but it's totally up to you. And as long as you understand the theory behind how we're sharing, then I'm happy for you to choose whichever method that you like. Let's have a look at another example. So